Hey guys, this is Rue Solutions, and today we're going to be looking at the iOS Vision Accessibility tool, Increase Contrast, and this one's fairly straightforward. So we'll just get into it. Just open your settings real quick, scroll on down to General, go to Accessibility, and we'll be up here in the top in the Vision Accessibility tools. Third from the bottom of these is Increase Contrast. You just click on that, and that pulls up the Increase Contrast page. And if you click it, look at the top left, the back button. Watch what happens as I toggle this button. See how it gets darker? It just increases the contrast between the button and the white background. But to help you see that a little bit better, I'm gonna pull out the zoom tool. If you want to know how to use that, just go back a few videos and watch my tutorial on the iOS accessibility tool, zoom. So I'll just triple click with 3 fingers, and this will bring up my my zoom tool. Now watch as I click this button. You can see it a lot better. But yeah, this is just a basic tutorial of how to use the Increase Contrast accessibility tool for iOS. This has been a Rue Solutions video, and thanks for watching.